Then trying to bait everyone out. But you know what's better than having coffee? Having coffee with an animal. Okay, so we just arrived and this place looks unreal, bro. It actually looks unreal. It actually looks like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's our second day in Dalag and we're starting off with this. For breakfast, we decided to drop by this place called the Bankan Nhà Chung. The bankan is served with broth and some delicious looking meatballs. The bankan was crispy and the broth was sweet. It has this very unique taste to it and it's actually quite interesting. Overall, a perfect start to the day. 8 out of 10. Look crispy. It's very crispy and sweet. Well, it's actually busting. After breakfast, we made our way out to this place called the Chika farm. Wow, the view is breathtaking, man. So now we're right outside Chika farm. It's a farm in Dalag that contain like various animals. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. The entrance fee is around 100k dong and you also receive a free drink. You also can purchase food to feed the animals. We got to see a lot of animals. Wait, is there a whole ass llama? Bro, you know what's better than having coffee? Having coffee with an animal. Oh, what's up? Then trying to bait everyone out.
It's so hard to eat.
Drinking coffee. Chika Farm is quite a popular tourist spot in Dalag. So with that being said, it was quite crowded. To be fair though, I came on a Sunday. Moral of the story is, plan before coming. Is he gonna eat my hand? Ah! Here are all the other animals that they have at the farm. Oh my god, look at this one. He's digging for gold. He's digging for all the treasures, you know. He's trying to find like the sweetest spot to lie down. Overall, I feel like this place is good if you're looking for some, Instagram-worthy place, but it does get crowded on weekdays. So yeah, for 100k, you'll be getting a drink and you get to chill with them animals. But personally, for myself, I feel like it's not worth, and I hope they take better care of the animals there. So, a 5.5 out of 10 for me. So we're just done with the farm. Now we are going to another place where it's a coffee place. This is so tiring, bro. I want to sleep. After Chika Farm, we decided to visit one of my personal favorite cafe in Dalag, the Reply 1994. Okay, so we made it to the Reply 1994 cafe. Chilling. The view is nice. Nice coffee and nice view is some of the reason why this is one of my favorite cafe or place in Dalag. So we're sitting inside a small ass cabin, drinking this coffee. It's actually a very Overall, I'll give this place a 9 out of 10. I will definitely come back next time. After having coffee, we went to this place called Yum to have our lunch. How's the food, bro? Rate the food, rate the fried rice. Suck a dick. Fried rice for like 6 out of 10. It's okay. Yeah, it's a 6 out of 10. It's not that good, it's not that nice. It's okay.
I wish it was Thai.
We had a few issues there and it kinda affected our dining experience. Nonetheless, the food was okay and their pork was really good. Unfortunately, I have to give this a 5 out of 10. For dinner, we decided to head to Wango, where we had some delicious barbecue. Okay, so for dinner, we're gonna have some barbecue at a barbecue restaurant. The barbecue was affordable and delicious. The staff was friendly, so I feel like this restaurant deserves an 8.5 out of 10. Good job. So now we're just walking around and we're just drinking some soya bean. You know, this place is actually a very nice place to, you know, just walk around, drink something hot and then just, you know, chill. Look, there's smoke in my mouth. Right, can you guys see that? Okay, so now we're back home right now. Everyone is asleep. I'll continue tomorrow, right? Yeah, I'll do that. See you guys tomorrow. For breakfast, we decided to visit a restaurant called Nhà hàng trên đường Đỗ Giang. Wow, I can't believe I just pronounced it. That was so hot. Anyways, we ordered barbecue chicken and bamboo sticky rice, which was really top notch. Sticky and crispy and... Aside from the food, there is also the view. While eating, you can look at the beautiful scenery of the lake. Wow! Overall, the food was great and the view is just breathtaking. 9.5 out of 10. No way. I will come back, okay? I will come back to this place. So now we are at one of the steepest road that I've seen in the lake. This road is really steep. It's like 20 degrees uphill. This place is known as the Nhà Bò slope. It is a popular slope among Vietnamese and it even appeared in local dramas and movies. Oh, oh. Damn steep. Next up, we head over to this place called the Cat Café. This place has a very relaxed atmosphere. I feel like I'm in a Hayao Miyazaki film, Spirited Away to be exact. We're at Cat Café right now. This is a Japanese cafe. It has a lot of stall in it, and we're just, you know, chilling, drinking coffee. The coffee and dessert was good, and we even bought mochi. Beside that, what surprises me was there was a cat cafe there too. What? No. Alright, I think it's time to rate the cafe. Personally, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for the good food, good coffee, good atmosphere. And there's even a cat cafe. So next up, we're going to the lake in the middle of the city. Let's go. Okay, so now we're at Duong Lam Lake. This place is outside of the city and it's very quiet here. It's a very good place to, you know, just sit down and then, you know, chill or eat. You know what? It's also a very good place to drone. Let's go do it. What the fuck? Okay, so for dinner we're gonna have some gum, which is rice. Let's go. Babe 1985 is a restaurant in Dalag that serves traditional Vietnamese food, which was tasty and served by friendly staff. 8 out of 10 for sure. There's this how to say? It's sweet. Yep. After dinner, we stumbled upon this place called the Blue Dream Bread, where we enjoyed some tea and baked goodies. For this bakery, I rate it a 7.5 out of 10. The tea were really well made, so good job. It could be a me problem, but I feel like the Oreo cake was decent. Overall, it's a cozy place to chill and it's a great place to end the day with. So it's like 4 o'clock right now and we woke up early today because we're gonna go cloud catching, which is in the morning with the sunset. So now we just at a coffee place. After we drink the coffee, we'll make a trip to the mountains and see the clouds. It's gonna be beautiful. I hope it's gonna be beautiful. Okay, so we just arrived and this Sáng Mai, or cloud catching in Vietnamese, is one of Dalec's most scenic activities. As it turns out, waking up early was worth it. This is one of the most beautiful, breathtaking things I've ever seen in my life. This made me grateful for what I have. I hope I can get more experiences like this in the future. That's so fucking dirty. Fuck me, dude. Oh my god, this is so high. Jeez. So there are many turbines here and I have never seen one before. It's massive, I gotta say. It's really massive. It looks smaller in picture. Imagine fixing this thing if it's like 40, then you have to climb up and fix this thing. Jeez. I'm sorry, look at her. And look at this shit. I'm sorry, if this doesn't... After looking at clouds, we went to have our breakfast at Dim Kum 19 Hador. 7 out of 10. It was busy and squeezy, but the food was nice. Where's the food, bro? Then, we went to a strawberry farm. My phone died and I only had this footage. I'm sorry, but iPhone battery sucks. And with that, our Dalat trip comes to an end. Okay, so this marks the end of our Dalat journey. It's been a good 4 days and now we're gonna go head back to Ho Chi Minh to go to Phu. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. I apologize for the lack of footages and it's a bit rushed. With that, I'll see you later. We'll see each other again soon. Bye.